If you're installing a new mailbox or fence post and you don't want to go through the hassle of mixing concrete, burying the post in the ground, and then waiting for that to dry, I've got a super cool product to show you. It's the Simpson Strong-Tie EZ Post, or the EZ Spike, at Lowe's and other hardware stores. Basically, it's a 3-foot metal spike that you just drive straight into the ground. And what I did was insert 2 sections of 2x4, or you could just use a 4x4 piece, which is what it's made for anyway, and you drive that straight up into the ground. It's a super solid connection. Bring in your mailbox or your fence post and install that straight into the bracket. And from there, I use the Simpson Strong-Tie bolts. You can nail this in or use any kind of screw that's made for outdoors, to be honest. But once you get that attached, what you're gonna do next is take a couple of simple wooden shims and then put that into the base up against the post and kind of square it up. You can see I've been hitting it with a hammer, so I've scuffed it up a little bit, but you can come back with paint and fix that later. And you can see here, I left my shims on quite a bit longer. We're already in the fall. But if you want to get rid of those, just come back with a blade and score that, pull it off. You can dust this off and repaint it, but otherwise you are good to go. This is a super easy project. I highly recommend it. If you have any questions about it, definitely leave those in the comments. All right, thanks for tuning in. Peace.